For some reason, we don't want to be unique when we're younger. We don't want to embrace our strengths and what we have. We always compare ourselves to other people and we want to be like somebody else. We want to look like somebody else. And I was no different. And I used to stand there in photos with my friends and I'd stoop down all the time and have bad posture because I just wanted to be like they were. But for me, there was something about stepping out onto that netball court where for once in my life, my height became an advantage. I started to feel this inner confidence that I hadn't found anywhere else in what I was doing at school. Yet on the netball court, it became an asset. So part of what I want you to take out of today is channeling what makes you feel good.